Question number 2, Mart scored 85, 92, 78, and 88 on his first 4 exams. So, tandaan ninyo first 4 exams. What score does he need on the 5th exam to have an average of 87? Take note, average ang hinahanap and ano dapat yung next score ni Mart para makakuha siya ng average na 87. First step here is, of course, we have to identify the x. Let the 5th score be x. Okay? So, lagi niyong tatandaan yan. Then, after that, we are going to multiply first 87 times 5. Kasi, we are talking about the average of 87. Then, yung pang 5th number. So, kapag pinag-multiply mo yan, 87 times 5, that gives you 435. That is the first step. Second step is to get the sum of the first 4 scores. So, ito siya, 85, 92, 78, and 88 dito sa part na to. So, we're going to get the sum of this, and that is equal to 343. Next is, of course, pag meron ka ng sum, and meron ka ng total scores, we're going to subtract 435 minus 343, and that is equal to 92. So, kailangan ni Mart, score sa 5th exam niya is 92. So, letter D tayo sa part na to. Follow my talks for more videos. See you to the next episode.